Good morning, grade 5s.
Morning, sir.
Today we are going to continue with our revision for next week's test. And today we are going to the types of sentences that you will find in the test. So the type of question I might ask you in the test is write a simple sentence or write a complex sentence, or I might ask you, is this a simple, complex, or compound sentence? Identify the sentences. Or I might give you one sentence and another sentence and tell you to use the correct word to put the two sentences together to make a compound sentence. So it's important that we understand these things. So if you go to page 247, where's your textbook, brother? Alright. Let me just switch on the lights.
No, sir. No, sir, it's fine. That's fine.
Now only exactly 2 of the lights work.
Three.
Alright, let's try again. So, when you read on to page 247, we see the 3 definitions for a simple sentence, a compound sentence, and a complex sentence. Now, simple sentences and complex sentences you already know, right? A simple sentence is a sentence that has one subject and consists of one verb, and it talks about one idea. So that is your tool that you're going to use. It's talking about one idea. Let's read quickly what the book says. It contains the subject and one predicate and deals with one idea. Okay? So an example of a simple sentence would be, Orabile, my subject, eats oats. Okay? He's not doing 2 things at once. He's doing one thing, only one verb, only one idea. He's eating oats. It's one thing. How can I make that sentence complex, Boka? So if a simple sentence deals with one idea, what does a complex sentence deal with? Bonolo? 2 or more ideas. Remember, complex means it's complicated, right? It's more than one. It's a collection of things. It's complex. So if I have a complex sentence, it means it might be more than one subject, it might be more than one verb, or more than one idea. So, Boka, Orabile eats oats. One subject, one verb, one idea. How can I make that a complex sentence? I'm going to explain again. Listen, please, Boka. If I have one subject and if I have one idea, verb, thing happening, it's simple. How can I make it complex or more complicated? Can I add a subject to make it more than one subject? Yes. Can I add a verb or a predicate, which is the verb part of the sentence? Can I add more predicates to make it more complex? Yes. Right? Orabile eats oats. How can I make that more complex? So put someone with Orabile, so that it's not just one subject. Orabile
eats oats with his sister in the morning.
That's enough, right? Because now, how many subjects do we have? 2, Orabile and his sister, right? Now I have two people doing something, complex sentence. Because I'm adding things, I'm making the simple sentence complicated by adding things to the sentence. Right, give me another example, Bonolo, of a complex sentence.
And the mother of slaves left for
Come on, it can't be this hard to make sentences. You're in grade 5, guys. Bogolo?
Me and my sister play soccer together.
Alright, me and my sister play soccer together.
So isn't it my sister now?
Well, my sister and I, yes, is the correct grammatica. Alright, or syntax. Ditake.
I eat oats and Kellogg's at the same time.
How about I eat Kellogg's and watch TV in the morning. Now I'm doing two things at the same time. Right. I know it seems a bit difficult for you now to understand, but that is a complex sentence. When I'm doing more than one thing, there's more than one idea, there's more than one person in the sentence. Then I have a complex sentence. What is a compound sentence? Ditake?
It's when there's two words and you make it into one word.
That's a compound word. What is a compound sentence? Same idea.
When you put the sentences together.
Instead of two words put together, I take two sentences and I put them together. So with what words do we put sentences together?
Because
Okay, but what we did that yesterday. What do we call those words? Conjunctions. So I use a conjunction to put two sentences together and it's a compound sentence. Okay, remember compound means adding up, putting together. Okay. Alright. So, any questions regarding that? You all understand a simple sentence, one person, one idea.
Yes, sir.
Complex sentence, more than one person or more than one idea.
Yes, sir.
More than one verb doing things. Okay? I can also make a sentence complex by adding adjectives and adverbs. Ne? Right. Okay? Then a compound sentence is taking two sentences and putting them together. Bogolo is hungry. Luvo is tired. Bogolo is hungry and Luvo is tired. Done. Alright. So what we're going to do today quickly is we're going to write 5 simple sentences, 5 complex sentences, and 5 compound sentences. And then I want you to write the definition for a simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. You will find them on page 247. Just look there. Then they're giving you a very big explanation of something that's very simple. Don't write the entire thing down. Only the first sentences. So simple sentences contain the subject and one predicate and deal with the idea. That's the first sentence. That's all you're going to write down. Compound sentences are formed by joining more than one sentence with a conjunction or a linking word. You only write that down, just the first sentence of the definition. And then complex sentences, like simple sentences, deal with only one main idea or thought, but they contain one or more dependent clauses that contain additional information modifying the main clause. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You may start.